In today's video, you will learn 2 recipes made at home for firming saggy cheeks. There is no secret recipe for turning back the hands of time and reversing the aging process. Our skin naturally changes as we grow older. Spots, sagging, and fine wrinkles may emerge, and they will. But did you know that the skin, in addition to being the body's largest organ, also reflects your interior health? In other words, the look of your skin reveals whether or not you are healthy. While you may not be able to entirely avoid the symptoms of aging, did you know that you can slow them down? Sagging cheeks, wrinkles around the eyes, tiny lines around the lips, and age spots on the hands are some of the most prevalent indicators of aging. But, if you want to firm up your drooping cheeks, what treatment should you go with? Let's have a look at them now. 1. Honey and avocado mask. This face mask is well known and simple to apply. We already know that avocado has amazing skin firming and moisturizing qualities. It tones and nourishes our skin, which helps to prevent wrinkles. Even the muscles benefit from this nourishment. 2. Yogurt and aloe facial mask. Many ladies use this mask since it is very nutritious. When yogurt and aloe vera are mixed, the skin becomes firmer. So, how did the recipes turn out for you? Did you recognize any of them? Try them out and let us know what you think in the comments. Apply a small amount to your elbows before putting these 2 masks to your face. Stop using it if you have any type of allergic response. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more secret and tips. Here are 2 additional videos to watch, both of which will undoubtedly assist you in achieving your goals. Stay healthy.